Now that VEO3 allows you to start with a reference image, it makes it easier than ever to hang out with. Wayno.
So Google VEO3 is still as awesome as ever, and not too long ago now as well, they introduced this frames to video option as well as the text to video. So the awesome thing about the frames to video is you can create any image of yourself in any scene, put yourself in the scene and make a video out of it, like the videos I made in the intro. So just going to really quickly run through how I did it. Step one is obviously to create the images with yourself in it. So there's two different options I can give for that. Option one is Higgs Field AI. It's $9 a month, and you can head to character setting, make a character, give photos of yourself, and yeah, this is basically all the ones I created with that. Lots of different options, and yeah, it's a very good tool for that, and it's not too expensive. And if you want an even cheaper option, you can head to replicate.com, create an account, and go to Minimax Image 01. It's 1 cent per output, and you just give yourself an image reference of yourself, and then yeah, this is the output. Man sitting in a beach office wearing full work attire, typing on his laptop, zoomed out cinematic, and yeah, you can see it does a pretty good job of the output there. And then so that's step one. Step two is to just put that into VEO3. So if you're going with the Google Gemini route, you just head to Gemini, make sure you have video selected, you add your photo of you, and tell it what you want, and then yeah, I've reached the video generation on that for today. But so option two is Google Flow. So you just log in to Flow, and then it's as simple as you just change it from text to video to frames to video, and then you click the plus, add your image, give it a text prompt, and then yeah, that's all you do. You have your final video ready to go.
If you want to know how I did it, just check out my YouTube channel and subscribe for more free tutorials.
That's it. Subscribe for more. I'm going to be doing more fun AI videos and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.